There are some good news within the Zilliqa ecosystem, and I want to go and show you today which one are they and everything. Also, my opinion on what is going on with the Web3 and the update that I think are a bit lacking within the Zilliqa ecosystem. But as I said, it's my point of view. Let me know your point of view after watching this video. Please down in the comments below. Let's have a nice conversation. Leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment about the Zilliqa situation. If you're a Zilliqa supporter, let me know down in the comments. But with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop over here. Now, the good thing that I do want to talk about Zilliqa, well, it is looking at the graphs that I do see some good support and some good price action going forward for Zilliqa. We're able to see that the 2 cent mark has not been broken that easily, and we have not seen a clear breakdown from that mark. The only time we had a little bit of ish was over here on the 2022 11/14, so 14th of November at 12 a.m. So at 12 p.m. sorry, this is when we saw that chart going down on the hourly, as we're able to go and see here. We are able to go and see even deeper when it happened over here. Now, after that, as we're able to go and see, we have seen some good movement in terms of once we broke the 2 cent line, we went up all the way to 2.3, then back down to the 2 cent, to the minimum of 2 cent, and then back up, and once again we've done the downtrend. So now we're expecting a little bit of an uptrend over here toward the 2.5 or approximately those line. But it is a good indicator, in my opinion, about the Zilliqa price. Zilliqa is holding pretty well this price resistance, as we're able to go and drag some lines here. You're able to understand on the long term what I'm looking for, and it is to retest this line, yes, but of course not to break it. Then on the long line, we got over here the possibility of coming out of this movement that we've seen with highs and highs here, but it could be we did break it if we were counting before. As we're able to go and see here, we had some movements, yet that line broke. It was retested and then it broke, and now we're once again back out if we're looking at the bigger picture. But the thing is that I'm more interested about this is the price action, and I do feel like Zilliqa, unless Bitcoin does some weird things, which apparently it is not doing. We're having a nice green candle over here on the hourly base of Bitcoin at midnight of today's video release, and we're looking at $16,822. Could we break 17,000? Could we go above this line over here, which is the resistance right now, 18,200? We would be looking for a little bit of a rise up, even though now it looks a little bit bearish. But with also Bitcoin, we did break, as we're able to go and see here, the bearish sentiment that we have going towards this line. So we did break it just recently with a big pump. It could be a fake pump, it could be a bearish pump, because as we're able to go and see here, we're not really moving upwards, but we're staying above the line. The other thing that I do want to go and talk about today, and that is a little bit concerning in my opinion regarding the Zilliqa situation, is the announcement that Zilliqa is doing recently. Now, Zilliqa is not delivering how it expected, and it is a little bit of a shame, because they are delivering on the Web3 game, which is been working on, and it looks great. We covered that in the recent video, and Zilliqa is doing very good within that game. We're waiting for the launch of it. But also for Metapolis, as we're able to go and see here, it seems like they've stopped with the bear market. They did stop. They did not stop in terms of building the metaverse, building Metapolis and everything around it, the collaboration, as we're able to go and see, with Blockchain India. Also, they did not go and not Blockchain India. We have not seen many other updates within all of this. The Metapolis video release, the big information check out quite right, but yes, it is a little bit of a photo, but we're not seeing anything that looks and resemble the what it was kind of pushed towards. And we did believe, now I do not know, I cannot talk by precision in terms of situation when it was scheduled to be, but with the bear market, it seems like Metapolis has a little bit stopped bringing us updates and situation on how everything is going, where everything is heading. Instead, we're looking at projects within the Zilliqa ecosystem like XCAD, for example. They, even though it is the bear market situation, they did not stop to release the announcement, and big announcement like the second CLO creator list offering, as we're able to go and see here with Lulu99, which has 12 million subscribers on YouTube. We have seen that XCAD keeps on delivering, and with this one they keep on delivering, and they got announcement every day aside from the weekend. They will release announcement. They got the new CLO, everything that works with it, and this is for investing in creators. But on the other side, Zilliqa, I feel like, and it's also the sentiment of the community. For example, we see here says, it does say that it's been quite a while since they published a blog about something other than the Web3 war, and it is true. Like, I feel like there's more project within the NFT and the metaverse and the Zilliqa ecosystem in itself that are bringing more updates than ever, instead of what Zilliqa is bringing for their own chain, their own infrastructure. They did bring an update, as we're able to go and see here, for the Zilliqa Explorer. It's not, I don't think it is the best way that they could have handled this bear market. Within the bear market, you need to keep on building. Zilliqa, yes, is holding well with the price because Bitcoin is holding well, it's not making any drastic. Potentially today we will see a drop down to 14,000, 15,000, I don't know. All the cryptos are kind of moving. We see also here XCAD within the Zilliqa ecosystem, and also Matic kind of moving sideways. But Zilliqa, with the price, it does look good. Yes, it did break out from this bearish pattern, even though it could be a bull trap. But I don't think the announcement has been there for Zilliqa, to be honest. I think Zilliqa has just been lacking in terms of announcement and what could be best for the ecosystem, the project within the Zilliqa ecosystem. XCAD, the NFTs project, which, you know, just to let you know, I'm not part of the NFTs within Zilliqa. It is not being, you know, it is not being released. Nothing has been released apart from the Web3 information and the game that they're launching. And I feel like Zilliqa is a little bit missing within the situation, what's happening, and how we could treat their investor as or their supporter of Zilliqa, to get some news, get some more insight, I think. And I don't know if it is correct or not. May let me know down in your comments below. I'm not here to critique Zilliqa. I'm not here to say Zilliqa is gonna go to zero. I'm not here to say critique is gonna go, you know, Zilliqa is gonna go to $1. I'm just saying, in terms of announcement and information released by the Zilliqa team, I feel like recently they've been lacking a little bit, and there's other projects out there which are doing better in a bear market situation, even inside the Zilliqa ecosystem, other than Zilliqa itself. Let me know your comments, your thoughts down in the comments below. I hope you did enjoy today's video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao guys.